Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the default download directory on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Settings from the list. This will open up Steam's configuration panel where you can adjust various preferences and system settings. When the settings window opens, look at the left panel where you'll find different categories. Click on Storage. This section controls where Steam installs and saves your games, which is especially useful if you're running out of space on your primary drive or want to organize your game library across multiple storage devices. Now at the top of the storage page, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Add Drive from the options. This feature allows you to designate additional storage locations for your Steam games, giving you flexibility in managing your library across different hard drives or SSDs. After clicking Add Drive, another drop-down menu will appear. Click on it and select your new download directory from the list, then click Add. Steam will now recognize this location as an available storage option for future game installations. This is particularly helpful if you have a larger or faster drive where you'd prefer your games to be stored. Once you've added the new drive, click the drop-down menu again. This time, select your newly added drive from the list to make it active. You'll see it appear as one of your storage options in the main storage interface. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice 3 dotted lines next to your newly added drive. Click on these dots to open a small menu, then select Make Default. This action tells Steam to use this location as the primary installation directory for all future downloads and game installations. Steam will now mark this drive as the default install location, and any new games you download will automatically go to this directory unless you manually specify otherwise during installation. And that's it. You've successfully changed your default download directory on Steam, giving you better control over where your games are stored. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.